You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this acronym, the full form, the meaning, and if you want to learn more names from the actual league, names of players and teams that are a bit confusing, make sure to stay tuned. I've got tons of videos for you. It stands for the National Basketball Association, and it's a league called the NBA. How to pronounce NBA, NBA pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.